Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Take for Today. Before we start, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is of the Keurig K155 Office Pro commercial coffee maker. It's a single-serve K-cup pod coffee brewer, silver extra large 90 oz water reservoir. We're going to explore it as always and see what it's good for. So let's get started, shall we? Right now it's 351.99 cents, and you can get a free delivery on March 25th to 29th. That's like basically 3 to 5 days. So it's in stock, really good, and it also has a protection plan, which is a 4-year kitchen protection plan that's only for 44.99 cents, or a 3-year kitchen protection plan, which is for 33.99 cents. It is one of the best sellers, and you can get 20% off instantly if you have an Amazon store card. The material in it is the design plastic is automatic, the brand is Keurig, the color is silver, the capacity is 2.9 quarts, the human interface is touchscreen. It is styled to impress. This Keurig coffee maker offers features that everyone will value. Buy with confidence when your Keurig product ships from and is sold by the following authorized retailers: Amazon.com or Keurig Direct. Keurig does not assure the quality or efficiency of Keurig brewers or accessories purchased from non-authorized resellers on Amazon.com. Your touchscreen interface, an advanced full-color touchscreen interface with an adjustable brew temperature and programmable on-off setting. You pour over water reservoir with a 90-ounce easy-to-fill removable water reservoir. You can make up to 18 cups before filling full-color iced tea touchscreen. 4 brew sizes. Choose from 4 different brew sizes. You can choose from 4 ounce, 6 ounce, or 8 ounce, or even 10 ounce, from strong to milder brewed beverages because tastes differ. You drain and store, so only Keurig commercial coffee makers offer the option to easily drain and remove water from internal hot water tank for transport and storage. The brew time of it is less than a minute. Keurig K155 Office Pro Single Cup Commercial K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker Silver. The Keurig Office Pro Premier Brewing System brews a perfect cup of coffee, tea, hot cocoa, or iced beverages in under 1 minute at the touch of a button. Now everyone you work with can brew what they love. This is fully programmable brewer, has an interactive touchscreen that allows you to program the brew temperature, auto on and off, and set your language preferences to English, Spanish, or even French. Also, the Office Pro Premier Brewer has a choice of 4 cup sizes, offers a removable drip tray to accommodate travel cups, and drainable internal hot water tank for transport or storage. Includes a bonus 12-count K-cup variety box. So it was a lot of information, so just let's go for it once again. So it can offer from hot cocoa to even iced beverages. It's under 1 minute whatever it does, and it's only with touch of 1 button. Everyone you work with can love, so it's perfect for workplaces. Like if you work for a company, it's perfect. It's programmable, it's interactive. You can have a touch screen. You can just say on and off. You can even change the temperature that it brews. Also, you can change the language to English, Spanish, or French. So if you work in a French company, it's easy to change it. If you work in a Spanish company, it's easy, and English as same. Also, it has 4 cup sizes. So you can basically buy your mode. Maybe you just want to have for fun, so like you choose the less, or you need it to be strong and you choose the most. Your choice. You choose what you want to do. It also offers a drip tray that helps you when you're traveling, so it doesn't spill everywhere and everything. And it has a water tank to transport the storage, so you can travel it easily and don't have to put water in it every few seconds. Also, it has a bonus 12 count K-cup variety. That means one less purchase of K-cups, you know? You can choose from more than 500 varieties of coffee, tea, special beverages, and iced beverages. It has 500 variety from 75 brands, any brands basically you want. And you just look at the Keurig logo on your favorite variety K-cup pots. Now, the My K-cup is not compatible with Keurig Office Pro Premier Brewing System. In addition, the brewer cannot be plumbed and to a water line. So let's see the key features of it. A full color LCD touchscreen, which is really easy to work with. An adjustable brew temperature. It also has programmable features such as language and clock time that is easy to change by the country you're in, by the time zone you're in. It has an auto and an off feature, so if you forget to turn it on and off, it's on there for you. It has a quiet brew technology, so not everybody gets distracted. And then it has an extra large 90 oz water reservoir, so you don't have to put water every few seconds in it. You can put it every 5 or 10 cups, basically, or even more, because like if you want to get 4 ounces cups, you can like have that 90 oz for like 20 cups, more than 20 cups. It's easily drained for transport and storage. And then the Keurig K155 Office Pro commercial coffee maker brews a perfect cup of a coffee, hot cocoa, or iced beverage in under 1 minute in a touch of a button. Now everyone in work can brew K-cup pods they love. This is fully programmable, and Brewer has an interactive touchscreen that allows you to program the brew temperature, auto on-off setting, English, Spanish, French. The K-cup has 4 choices of cup, and then has removable drip tray, accommodated travel mugs, and everything. So this is basically a picture of a client who bought it, and you can see like their problems, and it gives you instruction they can choose and everything, and it's really cute. So now more tech stuff. The product dimensions is 14 times 10.38 times 13.8 inches. The weight is only 6 pounds, easy to carry. Manufacturer is Keurig, ASIN BOOT DVKEHU4 if you need to purchase online by phone. Item model number is K155 Office Pro Commercial. Customer reviews 4.6 out of 5, which is pretty high for 1,919 ratings. It has a bestseller ranks. It's 28,692 in home and kitchen and 28 in single serve brewers, which is pretty high. The first 100 was pretty high. It's not discontinued by the manufacturer. It is still sold, and the date it was first available was May 21, 2012. So it's not exactly new. It's actually pretty old, but it's still very good for your needs. Now, some questions that we're gonna answer over here. The non-commercial 2.0 are viewed as a step backward from the original. Does this model likewise suffer from the similar negative progress? So they answer that this model does not suffer from digital right management and will process both clone and actual K-cup, so it's really good to use. What is the difference between 150 and 155? So the K155 does not brew the 12 ounce sizes, but you have to brew 6 ounce size twice to get the standard 12 ounce size. Why that happens, you're not sure, but that's their difference, basically. Their only difference. The disclaimer says that the My K-cup is not compatible with this model. Is there a compatible product for using your own coffee? If so, which one? So we can buy the Keurig K-cup holder, need replacement for non-commercial Keurig, and put it in K150. I've done it. It works. You just have to get the Keurig K-cup holder need replacement. Can this be plumbed? You don't know why sellers insist on being untruthful to their clients. This system is not capable of direct line hookup, and it's not on Keurig website. No, they do not have plumbing capabilities, so you can click here for more information. Commercial brewing system. You can go to Amazon and check it out. I will leave the link for you guys. And the customer reviews: 5 stars 82%, 4 star 8%, 3 star 4%. So basically, I would say till 3 star, people are all really good with it. So I would say about 94% of these people are really enjoying it. Maybe 6% are really not doing so. The touchscreen is 4.6. It is easy to use. 4.5. The flavor is 4.5. Durability 4.5. 4.5. Easy to play 4.2. The resources we use was Amazon.com. We give them credit for their amazing work and their amazing product. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!